Good morning, class 5. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. In last two videos, we have completed the chapter Bones and Muscles, means revision. So, in this video, we are going to discuss exercise of the chapter Bones and Muscles. So, for A, choose the correct answer. Bones are made up of A. Minerals and salt, acids and base, living cells and minerals, salt and water. Answer will be living cells and minerals, means C. Second, the jelly-like material inside the long bones is known as A. Plasma, B. Bone marrow, C. Bone meal, D. Bone sap. Answer will be B. Bone marrow. Rib cage protects the A. Lungs and heart, B. Brain, C. Spinal cord, D. Stomach and liver. Answer will be A. Lungs and heart. Longest bone of the body is A. Ulna, B. Radius, C. Femur, D. Stirrup. Answer will be femur. Our blood cells are prepared in the A. Bone marrow, B. Heart, C. Intestine, D. Liver. Answer will be A. Bone marrow. The joints of skull are A. Fixed, B. Movable, C. Gliding, D. Hinge. Answer will be fixed joint, A. The tissue that prevents the bones rubbing against each other is A. Cartilage, B. Ligament, C. Tendon, D. None of these. Answer will be A. Cartilage. The joint found in neck is A. Gliding joint, B. Hinge joint, C. Pivotal joint, and D. Ball and socket joint. Answer will be C. Pivotal joint. Next question. Walls of stomach, intestine and alimentary canal have A. Smooth muscles, B. Skeletal muscles, C. Cardiac muscles. All of these. Answer will be smooth muscles. 10. Muscles work in pair. A. Contraction only, B. Contraction and expansion, C. Expansion only, D. Neither contraction nor expansion. Answer will be B. Contraction and expansion. What provides shape and support to the body? Skeleton provides shape and support to the body. Which organ is protected by the backbone? Spinal cord is protected by the backbone. Name the longest bone of the body. Thigh bone or femur is the longest bone of the body. Which joint allows movement in back and forth direction? Hinge joint allows movement in back and forth direction. Which kind of muscles work at our will? Means voluntary muscles work at our will. Why is skeleton necessary? Skeleton is necessary because it gives shape and support to the body. It helps us in walking, running and playing. It also protects the delicate internal organs and some long bones which have bone marrow, that is the site for the red blood cell production. What are involuntary muscles? Muscles that work on its own, means muscles that are not in our control, is called involuntary muscles. Example, heart muscles is involuntary muscles. What is a joint? Place where two or more bones meet is called joint. Mention 4 function of skeleton. Same again I am saying. 4 function: it gives shape and support to the body, it protects delicate internal organ, some long bones help in blood formation which has bone marrow, and the last one, it helps us in run, walk, play. Movable and immovable joints. Differentiate between movable and immovable joint. Movable joint allows movement between the two bones at the joint. Immovable joint do not allow any kind of movement between the joints or near the joints. Example of movable joint: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, pivotal joints. Example of immovable joints are skull. Cardiac muscles and skeletal muscles. Muscles that are found in heart is called cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles that are found between skin and the bone are called skeletal muscles. And cardiac muscles, these cardiac muscles are involuntary in nature, means it is not under our control, but skeletal muscles are voluntary in nature, these are under our control. Next, quick assignment, tick the correct word. The skull protects eyes or brain. Skull protects brain. Backbone is made of small and hollow bones. How many bones? 30 bones or 33 bones? 33 bones. The dash pair of ribs form rib cage. 12 or 21 pair. 12 pair of the ribs form rib cage. Thigh bone is the smallest or longest bone of our body. Longest bone of the body. The dash bones or bone marrow produces red blood cells. So bone marrow produces red blood cells. There are dash, fill in the blanks. There are dash bones in our body. 206 bones in our body. The dash joints help to move the head. Pivot joint helps to move the head. In front, ribs are connected to sternum or breastbone. Dash is the smooth muscle flexible substance that joins the bone together. Means two bones are joined together with the help of ligaments. The dash contains immovable joint. Which contains immovable joint? Skull contains immovable joints. Write one word for the following. The hard structure that supports and protects the internal organs are bones. 12 pair of curved bones that protect the heart. Ribs. Muscles of heart. Cardiac muscles. Muscles that move on their own. Involuntary. Substance that connects skeletal muscles with the bones is tendons. Okay, match the following with column A with column B. Skull protects brain. Backbone protects spinal cord. Rib cage protects lungs and heart. Bone marrow produces red blood cells. And shoulder bones, ball and socket joint. Okay, with this the exercise of this chapter is completed. Still anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay.